Hi, I'm Jeff Macy, the principal at North Hardin High School. We're excited about this year, first for getting back to normal and coming back with students on day one. We are so excited about that, and our teachers are excited about it, and I know I am. A couple things that we're going to do this year is we're going to work on our students' social, emotional health, and I've got a committee together looking at some programming, because we want to make sure that when we start using that component to address the needs of our students, that it's something that everybody's bought into and is going to use in a way that will benefit our students. The other thing that we're going to work on this year is just making sure that our students take the advantage of everything that high school offers them, from extracurriculars to clubs to making sure that they get behind our sports teams, that they know they're valued. And to that end, I'm going to be asking students to sit in on some student advisory committees. I'm also going to be working with our student council, and I'm going to have a parent advisory council that is more than just the site-based membership of our site-based council, but people from the community that might be able to give North Hardin a different perspective on the way we do things, and some feedback that we think should be very beneficial as we move forward, not just through COVID, but past COVID at some point. So we're looking forward to everything that's going on this year. I invite you to be a participant and be involved in the process here at North Hardin and help us do our jobs to best support your children.
If you will come over here, as soon as we release, they will show you a copy of your schedule and you can take a picture. Okay? So we're going to make sure that everybody has a schedule. This is how it's going to work. So we're going to dismiss you today at 6:20. You're going to have 10 minutes to get to your first period class. You'll be in your first period class for about 8 minutes. And then we'll dismiss you, and you'll walk to your second period class. And then we're going to finish at 7:30. Also, I need you to be patient with us. So before a teacher can come to our building, they have to be cleared. They have to have a background check. They have to be fingerprinted. There's tons of paperwork they have to do. That being said, we've had some new hires that have not been processed yet, so they're not allowed in the building. So you may go to a room where the teacher's not there. You'll see somebody else, and we'll be there to talk to you, okay? And we'll be able to answer some of the questions for you. If your student has EC3 or John Hardin for first and second, or for third, or for fourth and fifth, they will go to the big gym. Okay, so obviously we're not going to take the EC3 today, but you might have some questions that we'll be able to answer for you about EC3 or about John Hardin. And now I'm going to turn it over to Ms. Russell. She's going to give you some of the graduation requirements.
Hello. First, let me say I am very humbled at our turnout. I have been here working with freshmen, I hate to say it, but it's over 2 decades, and never have we filled the gym like this. We've always had here for freshman affairs, but also over here we have not had. So either you're sick of being home with COVID, or you all really love your kids and are here to support them. And that is huge. So I know you probably don't want your mom or your dad here next to you, and they get on your nerves, but you get on their nerves too. But that is huge that they're here to support you. So don't take that for granted, because honest to goodness, never seen this before. Fantastic. So as we go through this, and I know some of you it's your first time having high school, or you haven't been in high school since you've been in high school, and a lot has changed. The biggest thing I need you to realize is, for years you've had a report card that stands promoted. You're not going to get that from us, because we're dealing with credits. We're going to send you a report card every trimester, because that's when the grade is final for that class. 50 and 500 students on my caseload. That is times the 15 different classes they take in a year. I am human. Sometimes I'm going to miss things. And you might catch it quicker because you only have 1 or 2 kids you're learning about. So the more involvement and working together, the better off we're going to be. The other thing, of course, is the transcript starts, the grade point average gets figured, and class rank. And that grade point average, and I talked to your students when we did the transition, whether it was virtual or in person, because we did a little of everything because of COVID. We did talk about the keys learning, and we talked about the differences. And the diploma requirements, you can take a picture of this if that's
and I don't know if you guys can see it over here. We'll leave this up here. Please take a picture of this. This is Mr. Macy's email address, my email address, and both of your counselors' email address. When you are looking at your schedule, if there is an issue, if you know that your kid didn't sign up for that class, or there's something wrong, the easiest, most effective way for us to fix it is for you to send an email to the correct counselor. Once again, if your student's last name is A through K, you will email Ms. Johnson. If your student's name is L through Z, you will email Ms. Russell. That's the easiest way for them to fix it. So we're going to leave this up here. So before we go to our first period class, I want to stress the importance of being involved in the community. There is tons of research that says that if your student gets involved, they will do much, much better in high school. That's not me just saying that. There's tons of research that backs that up. We have a ridiculous amount of activities that we want your student to participate in. We have all kinds of clubs that we want your student to participate in. We offer rides home. Deborah's Youth Center is here. If you're a military dependent and you want to go there, they will take you there. We want your kids to be involved. If your kid becomes involved, he's going or she will be a happy student. Happy students are better students. That's a fact. So please, I encourage you, get involved in activity. If you don't know what activity you think your kid will like, shoot me an email, I'll talk to them, and we'll get them signed up for something. So I also want to tell you about August 9th. That's when we're going to have our very large open house. All of our clubs will be here. All of our sports will be here. We're going to have a DJ Humble, where you at? There. So we're going to have a lot of stuff going on. I think we're going to have a Black Hawk touchdown. I'm not sure. That's still in the works. But we're going to have a lot of stuff. All right? So I encourage you, have your student get involved. If you have any scheduling issues, please email your counselor. Now, before we leave, I have a $25 Amazon gift card that I will give to the very first freshman that wants to come down here and sing our fight song. $25. I got $25 if you'll come down here and sing the fight song. $25 Amazon gift card. Anybody? You got to be freshman. Come on down. Come on down. We got you. $25 Amazon gift card.
I'm a senior here this year at North Hardin. Welcome to North Hardin's Freshman Open House. I'm excited for y'all to be here.
Hi, I'm Peyton Custis, a sophomore here at North Hardin and an active member of the Beta Club. We do a lot around North Hardin and we have extreme support from the community that we are very grateful for. We have a lot going on this year and we really hope you'll consider joining our club.
Hi, I'm Elsie Rector. I want to be a sophomore this year. I'm in North Hardin High School's Beta Club. If you want any more information about clubs or like sport activities, it's going to be August 9th.
Hi, my name's Elena Mcknight. I'm a senior at North Hardin High School and a cheerleader. We're so excited for this football season. It's going to be a great year. A lot to look forward to.
Hi, I'm Brian Froach. I'm the band director at North Hardin High School, and we're off to a fantastic start with our marching band. Some of our numbers a little down coming out of the pandemic, but the kids we have are really working hard, and we're very excited about the new season.
Hi, my name is Donna Mackey. I am 11th grader here at North Hardin High School, and I'm representing the ROTC program. I'm just very excited to be able to teach the incoming freshmen about how great our program here is at the school and how it teaches us about leadership and how we can grow here with each other.
I'm the CSM in JRTC. I'm a senior this year, and I love JRTC. We have a great program. We help out in our community. We do parades. We give donations to people in need. We're one big family, and it's just a lot of fun. Sergeant Matthews and Sergeant Youngblood, they make the program very fun for us, and it's very cool.
I am Corporal Brown, and we are going to be, doing a bunch of Raider teams, bunch of competitions with drill, color guard, and we have our annual food drive. We do just a bunch of fun things in JRTC. We have a bunch of leadership, and we have a bunch of teamwork, and we just do a lot of things that got to do with that in JRTC. And we love, everyone that joins usually loves it. We usually talk about it a lot to our parents. We usually get awarded for what we do, and it's just pretty fun.
Onward Trojans, onward Trojans, we are all for you. Stand and fight for the blue and the white. To you we will be true. Rah, 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 we're behind you to remind you we must win this game, which we will. Blue Trojans, how we love to praise thy name. Trojans, Trojans, Trojans are the best. Woo!